Reflective teaching. What is reflection? It is an important human activity in which people recapture their experience, think about it, think over it, and evaluate it. What is meant by reflective teaching? Reflective teaching is a form of self assessment. It is a method of improving teaching skills by means of metacognitive awareness. Through reflection and making conscious efforts to evaluate one's current abilities, continuous improvements can be made in honing one's teaching abilities. Reflective teaching is a process where teachers think over the teaching practices, analyzing how something was taught and how the practice might be improved or changed for better learning outcomes. Definition of reflective teaching. The process of reflection for teachers begins when they experience a difficulty, troublesome event, or experience that cannot be immediately resolved. Reflection commences when one inquires into his or her beliefs. It has the potential to enable teachers to direct their activities with foresight and to plan according to ends in view. It is said by John Dewey in 1933. Nature of reflective teaching. It expresses an orientation towards action and is about relation between thought and action in real historical situations. It presupposes and shapes social relations. It expresses and serves concrete human, social, cultural, and political interests. It either reproduces actively or transforms the practical ideologies that support social order. It is a practice that expresses our power to reconstitute social life through participation in communication, decision making in social action. John Dewey's view on reflective teaching. He is acknowledged as the initiator of the concept of reflectivity and he identified three attitudes as prerequisites for reflective teaching. One is open mindedness, an active desire to listen to more sides than one. Second one is responsibility, an ability to ask why I am doing what I am doing in the classroom. Third, wholeheartedness, an ability to take risks and act. Openness. Openness is one of the five personality traits of the Big Five personality theory. It indicates how open minded a person is. A person with a high level of openness to experience in a personality test enjoys trying new things. They are imaginative, curious, and open minded. Responsibility. It is concerned with people taking individual accountability for their decisions and actions, together with the outcomes they create and their impacts on others. It is about the reaction of self concept. It is the feeling that one is the author of one's own life, accountable for the life that is created and the impacts caused through one's decisions and actions, both on oneself and on others. Wholeheartedness. It is showing or characterized by complete sincerity and commitment. If there is a compassion in one's heart, wisdom automatically sits in his brain. With full functioning of the brain comes the ultimate intelligence and ultimate power. Hence, basically, we have to be compassionate for everyone or everything. Compassion is acting without any expectation, returns out of true love. This means wholeheartedness. This is real self esteem. Real self esteem is the ultimate consciousness which originates from ultimate compassion, ultimate intelligence, and ultimate power.